I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the opening market minute for Monday, July 21st. Soybeans and corn are both down to start the session following decent weekend rainfall in parts of the Midwest that has extended into early on this week. However, much of the region is expected to see a turn to hotter, drier conditions in many key growing areas, at least into this weekend, and that could cause some stress during some key phases of development. Really, the big question right now for grains and oilseeds is if this weather pattern is going to extend in August, which again has some key development phases for both corn and soybeans. USDA's weekly crop progress and condition numbers are out this afternoon at 4 Eastern, 3 Central. Wheat is mixed. Chicago and Kansas City are mostly weak, watching harvest activity both at home and abroad. Meanwhile, Minneapolis is assessing the scattered weekend rainfall in parts of the northwestern plains and the northern plains, which have been fairly dry as of late. Live cattle are mixed and feeders are higher, watching the distribution of this week's direct cash cattle show list. Last week's direct cash cattle business was generally steady to higher than the previous week for both the live and the dress bases. And hogs are down on profit taking. The pork carcass cutout value was higher on Friday, but the trade wants to get a look at weekend retail clearance numbers and the pork carcass cutout value at midday and the close today. With the opening market minute for Monday, July 21st, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.